In the previous video, we learned to draw a realistic eye. If you haven't watched it, go watch now. In this video, we will learn to shade smooth skin step by step. While shading the face, do not shade the whole face at once. Instead, divide the shading process into small parts. You will see in this video, we will shade only the cheek part. Take a 2H pencil and start shading the base layer. Slowly, draw strokes in the same direction. Do not forget to highlight the beard outline to avoid mistakes. Create a thick base layer with a sharp 2H pencil. There is a difference between layering and thick layering. Layering is done with different pencil grades. On the other hand, thick layering is done with same pencil. Now, take a sharp HB pencil and create the second thick layer slowly. Remove the dark spots with a kneaded eraser, if any. Take a sharp 2B pencil and create the third layer, following the same process of thick layering. For better result, have patience and do not rush to finish the shading process. Use a sharp 3B pencil for more darker areas. Now, blend all the layers created with a makeup brush. Start blending with the darker areas as shown in the video. After blending, take a kneaded eraser and create highlights as shown. Link of all materials that I use in description. Shade the remaining area using the same process. I hope this tutorial helped you. In the next video we will shade the remaining part of face. Like and subscribe for more.